Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the rivet that matches hole diameter and material. This controls strength and corrosion behavior. Once chosen, clamp the parts tightly so nothing moves when you set the rivet. Accuracy here saves rework. Next, drill a pilot hole about 0.5 mm larger than the rivet shaft and deburr both sides. This ensures the rivet sits squarely. Make sure your rivet tool and mandrels are ready. You're now positioned to insert the rivet and start the pull. Insert the rivet fully so the head is flush against the workpiece. Align the gun perpendicular to avoid angled deformation. You pull steadily, not jerky, until the mandrel snaps. Steady pressure forms the blind head uniformly and locks the joint. Once the mandrel breaks, inspect the formed tail. It should be round and snug with no gaps. If the tail is weak or undersized, replace the rivet and check drill tolerance. Incorrect hole size or misalignment causes failed swaging. After the mandrel breaks, clear any debris and file sharp edges for a clean finish. You want no stress risers. If the joint feels loose or you see gaps, remove the rivet, re-drill the hole one size larger, and use a new correctly sized rivet. Improper hole tolerance is the usual culprit. For thin or soft substrates, use an oversized washer or backing plate to spread load and prevent pull-through. One key troubleshooting tip: if rivets consistently deform, check your tool's nosepiece for wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.